Welcome to the Baby Cubby. Today we'll be featuring the Britax Advocate Clicktight car seat. This is a convertible car seat, so it can be used both rear-facing and forward-facing. We'll start by highlighting some of its aesthetic features. It has high-quality fabrics and padding. It has a 7-position quick push recline to make sure that your child is comfortable. It also has a 14-position quick adjust harness and headrest. No rethreading necessary. Next, we'll go over the safety features they've included. It has an industrial strength steel frame plus 3 layers of side impact protection. Its energy absorbing shell and foam-lined headrest protect your child's head, neck, and torso. Their patented SafeCell technology creates a crumple zone in the car seat base that helps absorb crash energy. It has a V-shaped rear tether to help slow and reduce forward movement during a crash. Next, we'll go over the installation process. If your child is between 5 and 40 pounds, you'll want to use rear-facing mode. You can install with the seatbelt, which is the preferred method, or with the latch system, but we'll show you both. If you'd like, you can attach the anti-rebound bar, which comes with certain models of the Advocate. Start by opening the Clicktight door by pushing and twisting the Clicktight button. Insert the anti-rebound bar into the 2 openings labeled in red at the front of the seat. Close the Clicktight door. For installation using the vehicle seatbelt, start by placing the Advocate onto the vehicle seat and adjust the recline appropriately. Open up the Clicktight door. Route the vehicle seatbelt through the rear-facing belt path marked by blue labels, making sure it's not twisted. Pull out any slack and then close the Clicktight door until it locks. Ensure that the Clicktight door button locks back into place. Check your installation, making sure that it doesn't move more than 1 inch. For latch installation in rear-facing mode, be aware that there is a weight limit. Open up the storage compartment and remove the lower anchor connectors. Extend the strap as needed. Begin by opening up the Clicktight door. Slide the lower connector strap into the rear-facing belt path marked by blue labels, making sure it doesn't get twisted. Press the lower connectors onto their respective lower anchors. Pull out any slack. Close the Clicktight door over the lower connector strap and check your installation. For forward-facing mode, your child should weigh between 20 and 65 pounds and not exceed 49 inches. Britax strongly recommends that you keep your child rear-facing until they at least reach 40 pounds. Start by removing the anti-rebound bar if you have it installed. To install with the seatbelt, which is the preferred method, begin by extending the tether strap on the back of the seat by unclipping it and lifting the adjuster. Place the car seat forward-facing on the vehicle seat and pull this tether strap around the vehicle headrest and over the seat back. Adjust the recline of the Advocate as needed. Open the Clicktight door and route the vehicle seatbelt along the forward-facing belt path marked with green labels. Buckle the seatbelt and remove any slack, making sure that the belt isn't twisted. Close the Clicktight door until it locks. Attach the V-tether hook to your vehicle's anchor. Check your car manual for the location. Pull out any slack in the tether. Check your installation, making sure that the car seat does not move more than 1 inch. For latch installation in forward-facing mode, be aware that there is a weight limit. You will follow the same process with placing the V-tether around the vehicle's headrest. Remove the lower anchor connectors from the storage compartment. Extend the lower connector strap as needed. Adjust the car seat recline position. Open up the Clicktight door and route it along the forward-facing belt path that is marked with those green labels. Press the lower connectors on each side into your vehicle seat's lower anchors, making sure that they click. Pull the end of the lower connector strap to remove slack and then shut the Clicktight door until it locks. Again, attach the V-tether hook to the anchor on your vehicle seat and pull out any slack in the strap. Check your installation. Overall, this car seat is really easy to install and will give you peace of mind as a parent. Thanks for watching. To shop this car seat or other Britax car seats, feel free to visit babycubby.com. We offer free shipping over $25. To learn more about the Britax One for Life, click on this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let us know what you want to see. See you next time.